Hi guys, welcome back to another hair video. As you guys can see, I've got the wig on already. So this wig is from Omgherhair, and guys, can we just talk about the lace and the hairline for a second? This hairline looks so good, and the knots are so tiny as well, like you can barely see them. So tiny. And the lace as well is so thin. So this is the silky straight wig. The length of the wig is 20 and this is 180 density wig. As you can see, it's actually quite full for 180, you know. So this is the clean hairline. As you guys can see, like the hairline looks so good, and this is their HD lace as well. So the hairline comes pre-plucked at the back, so this way you can wear the wig into a ponytail if you'd like to, and it also came pre-plucked at the front, as you can see. So another thing they've added to their 360 wigs is that it now comes with invisible adjustable straps inside the wig. This is where the adjustable straps would usually be, but their new 360 wigs comes with invisible adjustable straps. So instead of the standard one that you have to hook, this one just comes with the invisible one, and you literally, all you have to do is just to pull it on the sides, as you can see. So I've just cut off the excess lace at the back of the wig, and I've also applied my foundation to help it match my skin tone better. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig. So now I'm going to go ahead and install the wig. So you guys can see the hairline is a bit forward, so I am going to go in and customize the hairline, but I'm going to glue it down first because the wig cap is so big, it's literally not staying on my head. I'm going to glue it down first and then we can go from there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and customize the hairline. I feel like the hairline at the front is a bit too forward, so I need to take off some hair on the sides as well. I'm just going to go ahead and then I'm just going to go ahead and just literally pull that off. Okay, so I'm done installing this wig. I feel like I've made my forehead look so big because I've cut the wig, I've cut the lace so far back, but this is fine, it's okay. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style this wig. And I don't know if I've already mentioned, but this is the silky straight wig. So guys, the hair is so silky, I don't know if you guys can tell, and I've not applied any hair products to this wig. This is literally the hair straight out of the box. Wow, it just looks so good. The hairline, everything is just amazing. Even the lace as well. It's giving me jet black vibes, but this is actually how the hair came, and I am just so in love. Like, honestly, I haven't even straightened the hair. This is literally how it came, straight out of the box. It just looks so good. So good. So this wig is also a 360 wig. So I'm going to show you guys how you can put this hair up, and then show you how to use the invisible adjustable straps at the back of the wig. So now this is where the invisible straps are. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna grab them on both sides, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and tie them together. So I'm just gonna turn around now so you guys can see what it looks like. It also comes with a comb at the back for you to tuck it in, by the way. So I really like the whole concept of this, because obviously it makes it look a lot more natural, but I feel like because the cap is just so big for me, it's not working for me. So obviously you can decide to go ahead and glue this down also. That would also work. And because the lace is so thin, it would still look really good. But for me, unfortunately, the cap is just so big for me. I can obviously go in and add either an elastic band or just glue it down. So, but I really like the concept, because it just makes it so flat and it looks so natural. So that brings me to the end of this video. Like I said, this wig is from Omgherhair, and this is their silky straight wig. I absolutely love the texture of this hair. It's so silky, so soft, and so smooth, honestly. So I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below. Also, when it comes to the hairline is amazing, and the knots are so tiny. As you can see, this literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Like, it looks so good. So yeah, please don't forget to check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.